Okay, we're here where we pulled out the posts, or the support for the posts. We have it jacked up right here, and it's basically a mess. I pulled all the wood out, but we have voids. We have a possum could live in there. I mean, it doesn't look like it goes a long ways. We have a void here, so I have some material that I pulled out when I was, and there's other material like right here. So what I'm going to do is try to fill this in, pull out the loose dirt because I can't really concrete against that. So I'll try to brush that out into a pail and just try to clean it up so I have a starting point for some concrete and stone. And ideally I'd like to fill this all in so this wall is supported again 100%. There's no pipes or anything going through here. They're up here, which I'm not really crazy about how that was done, but for right now that'll have to do. And maybe that's all we can do because we can't close it off 100% there. Well, we could, I guess, but wouldn't be good for freezing. Okay, so let's fill this in with rocks and some cinder block material. Brush out all the dirt and try to just clean it up so I can start concrete. Dump some water on it and start concreting some stone in here. Ideally, I want to get this all level across here, nice. Concrete stone. Okay, that's where we're at. It's a mess, but we can make it look a lot better and have a good support there.